ki khubor ka bate si TV. Wanrah shapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association harangkat bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. Haga arpau tarik risau arajar arpulai kala penlong ya ke Jylla nakabentaban Kitbok bat kit ruang ban Wanrah ya ke nam bat Burom ya ke Jylla ya ki Thei bat kirang ki ban lek mi khmat ya ke Jylla Meghalaya syaka 37th National Games ka ban long ha ke Jylla Goa. Ki kan hon ki ban sami shen na ke Jylla ban lek ya shimenta ha ke Thei ka National Games ki kan top ya ke Ïalehkai football, athletics, aquatics, boxing, wushu, shooting, golf, bat kiwe. Hagani kasngi lawan ban Kitbok kirwiang yakini ki Thei bat ki rang Ïalehkai bakan top ya uba syakliar warjri ubadai Myntri Sorkar bapet ya katanat Ïalehkai uba Hamletson Doling ubadai President ka Meghalaya Football Association Dr. Vijay Kumar ubadai Commissioner Secretary katanat Ïalehkai Kakong Isawanda lalu kabadai ka Director jong ka Sports and Youth Affairs Uba John Karshieng, ubadai President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association, nalor ki waipat. Haba keren kumukongsan, uba syakliar warjri ulapan pau, ba nakaliang jong katanat Sports and Youth Affairs. Kandon rengkat bat ki Thei, bat ki rang Ïalehkai, bat ula Kitbok ru'ya barok ki nonglek yeshimenta. Bakin trei syutam nakabenta ban Wanrah ya ka nam bat ke Burom ya ka Jylla hi barok kawai.
Max Beroff, Walang, Beneslas, Kairim, coach of the team, Klein Perkat Semle, he also the coach, please Klein Perkat Semle, Dias Lapasam. After Wushu, we have shooting, Balari Shisha Rani, Anjali Singh, Rajdeep Ghosh, shooting, Shirley M. Karbuli, John Taunam Jam. Here, shooting team. And next, we have kayak team, who we just 2 days ago, we heard that they have qualified. We can't give success because 2 days only we knew that they have. So next we have golf. John Will G. Moomin. These are the golf team. And the MSO team led by John F. Karshieng, leader of the contingent. About Joel Marbanyang, please come forward.
To wish them the best of luck before they represent the stage or the state in what is the biggest stage in the country. Meghalaya is conquering many stages, national, regional. And we are happy that today as well we're able to see you off. So we wish you all the very best. We hope that you can bring pride to the state, take care of yourselves, and we hope that Meghalaya will shine and it will continue to do so in the years to come as well.
Platform to excel, to show their competence, to show their capability, and to be the very best. So I think that has been one of the most important motive for us in the sports department, in the government. So, and we also realize that this can only be done in a collaborative manner, because government alone cannot do this, associations alone cannot do this. So it's an ecosystem that has to be built in a collaborative way. So I think that is one of the important things that we kind of achieved in the last 4 years, where the department, the associations, the external players, the coaches, we brought in a lot of expertise, collaborations. All that has happened over the last few years, and that is one of the reasons why we see. I was just asking Bajon, like last year when we went for Gujarat, the size of our contingent was 15 people. So this time we are very proud that our football team, 20 of our athletes, got through the selections, and we do expect that you will perform exceedingly well at the national level when you are going now for the national games. So the size of the contingent itself shows, this is an objective measure, that now today we have 45 athletes who are going to participate in this version of the national games, which is in itself a matter of great pride for all of us. Similarly, our performance recently in the Northeast Olympics, which we very proudly hosted, which was a very, very successful event, also shows the ability of the state to host big events, but more importantly, the ability of our athletes. Because in fact, we stood fourth though our overall medals were more than, I think, the number 3 Arunachal, but because of the number of golds, 2 medals short, so we were at number 4, all of us know that. But again, that itself was a huge moment of pride for us because we did not expect that our athletes will perform so well. So given the chance, we know that you all can do a wonderful job. We know we have some constraints of infrastructure. In many places, obviously, we don't have the right kind of practicing, ecosystem and all. We are again improving that. We are, I think, compared to a few years ago, today we are in a much better place. We'll continue to improve that. But I think even with the limited, with some constraints, you are able to do so well. As we move along, it's a promise that we will improve this further, and I'm sure you will do exceedingly well.
We, the government, in the past 6 to 7 months, have come up with various programs in order to encourage our youths, to encourage our athletes. There's specifically one program that we've started. It's called the Elite Program, where we've tested more than 14,000 athletes, and out of those, 9 of them were chosen for a super elite program. So the vision is that why are we starting with so many programs? Why are we going ahead with so many programs to encourage our youth and our athletes? The vision that we have as a government is that to provide whatever necessary to all these athletes so that someday we can see them as Olympians as well. We can produce Olympians from our state. That is our vision, and that is our aim and our goal. And we're working towards it. No doubt it's not easy. It's not as easy as it looks. We face so many challenges, but despite all that, the government is committed to provide the best for our youths and our athletes. So, like I said, we have a vision that we want to see the youth of our state, the athletes, that they can be as Olympians. They can bring medals for our state as well. We have encouraged our youth to take part in sports, to be more towards sports, be more inclined towards sports. Why do we keep on encouraging them? If you see across all the states, the districts, we have so many programs, we conduct different games. The reason is because we want to encourage them, because we believe sports, it's not just something that we play as a hobby, but it is a life, it's something that it teaches you about teamwork, about dedication. So this is what we want to encourage our youth. That is why we're coming up with so many programs when it comes to sports, to encourage them. And I always say that I believe with hard work, with dedication, we can achieve great things. If you look at it, before 5 years back, 10 years back, 15 years back in our state, sports department was not as big as it is right now. But in the past 5 years, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have grown so much in the sports department. And in the next 5 years or 10 years, we want to make sports, especially sports in our state. In the next 5 to 10 years, we want to produce so many athletes who can win medals. That is the main reason why we are focusing so much on sports department. If you look at it, like I said, we have so many programs that the government has been doing in the past 5 years and up till now. And sports, one more thing I always say, that it teaches you a valuable lesson. Sports, like I said, it's not just something that we play as a hobby. We encourage, like I said, we encourage our youth to take part in sports, to be more dedicated, because it teaches a lot. And the previous years that we've done like we've heard, the previous national games, there were only about 15 athletes that participated from our state. But I'm very happy that in this year, we've increased the numbers. And hoping the next year will keep on increasing, That is what we hope. So maybe the previous national games, we can win medals. But I have my trust in you athletes. The government is with you. We trust in you. We trust in our youth. That from here onwards, maybe with your dedication and with your hard work and with the government support, I am 100% sure that you can bring medals for our state. So, like I said, you should not worry. The government is with you through thick and thin. We are giving our best. But one thing that we ask from you is to work together, and your dedication and hard work, we can achieve so many things.
kaji phe jugi minta kala abiang ni kerman bangin wan sekamat jisa kam don jikta nama ki player ki long free ha man practice bani but ki player ki wan kidang player pre-season kidang fit lah lihat kan ngatai ki minta senang ni duna match bagi player ngatai ingin suaka ni game ni are likely Monday mo ile lesai ile bukan Northeast next week ile bukan Northeast United dan suaka ni ile bukan Sunrise Sangoti
Berkili ki games kini likely kin
match ki pre-match
crucial.
Okay. Ki player ni day player ni bela ambil shot sudah baru. Di kini kita sahaja bagi kuat ki player ni kami jawab nama kita join lejong kita dan I League kita dan termak juga pelagi lagi. Sampai kalau abiang ni tim.
Ki teams ke bawah punya kon mendah apa ke Goa National Games. Ki Jylla.
Maharashtra, Kerala, ke Manipur. Ini tim klaim lah. Dan recently dan ile yang ni ka Santos Trophy qualifying round. Try they are in good form. Oh, ka objective ni mengingat seguang ni kuat menyo medal ni. Wat la kata ni book ni dah yo por pun create sibon ya por re ka expectation ni juni bang yo medal. Ban yo medal kata di ka challenge ni nomor ba ki player juni kira baro ki long ni shot ni professional. You know their job is to win the match. So they win the competition. So ngatrai minta gua live UR mengarang check menin live UR live fly degree. Ti takam ta kata nomor ba minta setiong indek lupa. Ngatrai minta lah melak tais.
Jinglong kan. Okay.
I'm seeing ini dalam best goalkeeper jom South game ini. Si kan nyerap ibu player tu, kan nyerap ibu ban yo experience si ketiga first tournament ban nilai untuk senior team. So kemen sibon ban yo ban ni dan dekat ban ni.
Ada nak athletics, Ïalehkai 5,000 meters, ada international game apa bawa. Ada sekarang ngalapan kre di nalade, how to ship kibenanya le practice sport Bangalore hendak event orang ngasih le 800 tembang tapan ngasih le long distance kena kuat pantrai no ini ka national yang 5,000 meters kedai first time yang ada bangan ni participate in international ngasih le 800 atau 400 hendak ka suara ru ngale ka 10 kilometers ngasih tu yang jong ru banga ngalak bangan le long distance mo long come improve bon ke long distance ke minta long try no ya 5,000 meters
Wei kita ni sebab seorang mak betul.
Ngapai live nyo point 19 haka 10 kilometers. Dia haka 5 kilometers dia ngak 4 jumare. Long ngaset mare haka 6 kilometers apo gahati bak penyat ka IIT. Dia ngapai kumtu 21 big ing point haka 6 kilometers. Long ya kan ka 5,000 units kuch mandezi la training hai. They claim check direct yang 5,000 long check pemtu yang 1,200 long nang tu pa ila semua bangan poi kata timing get long target below 18 ni la la ni ka competition
ka keteng jong kalau ibawi ni marnya disiplin jong kali boxing bang Ïalehkai ke category 50 kg lingba ka jing Ïalehkai jong kan ni ka senior elite national jong mana kan ni Ïalehkai bat ka ni ketzerin dia Ïalehkai lain round dia ngajob sebab dia qualified nak base jong ka baut jong bang Ïalehkai hapo ka national
Dia kon bakal dikatakan.
Ni ketzerin ka world champion kalong ka bataf ha ka baut
kalong hai ga bini
kalong hapo MP Madhya Pradesh
kadutre
am dah kenal sih kata
okey to kabat kai kijing pengkrepat hadin ketu ba bafi ni kon mantap apa national games
ala pengkre hi kalong ka por ka belkat hi yang abangan pengkre tanga su pengkre hi kat ba tournament ka bahet te la haban Ïalehkai bhai aku ai sin bangal bangan yo kai so ba chang hi bangan yo ka medals ban yo ka na ba ka Meghalaya state ban ka ban nok ka ba nampa pempal na mai ka state ka chongi
masuk kemen ban represent ka state tadi dan India Sunslam ba kali ka first tournament jong akan kali half under 19 dan ban era ni aku penjob ngalet saya ru
kita ni la practice baham ta baginya lagi aku sampai saya keluar kalau kata jika hi nama itu ni jigi sitai jigi aku begitu ke national pool ni pool ni pak ni kuat ni ala tu banyak yang pool 50 meter tu baginya yo banyak practice baginya tu banyak yang katakan national
Hoan yang lah berkrehi kat tu kan ni nama ni dan exam selection tentang yang dayok balat mo ban praktis kat tu kan ni kat balat kat tu kan ni isu praktis nama ni dan cik bahan nama ke pool ngidon sa ka standard pool ni day bandon ka standard pool nama ba habangi praktis ka launching bet ka launching bat turning ni suki bah dengan ka national nama ba ni bid hi hapadeng ni bid bet QA athlete QA hamba da poi ka turning bat ka launching ni long shot ada ka abet bandon kan pool ba proper pool ka standard ka national nanti jangan kalau hoanya don superman yang kata mo tong ba ka way pat banong bang kuat ka pool 50 meters pool balong standard pool tan 50 meters freestyle
Keteng jangan gede Miss Levenza Soltiang but election utama po national games kabalong po gua but kedisiplin ke Ïalehkai gede wushu but Ïalehkai ke minus 56 kg kata Johnson naga wushu naga Meghalaya Wushu Association masya select di tak mengahi but election station national games create national games but hadin ke selection ke lalong hapo Pune kata ke 32nd senior national wushu championship ke lalong hapo Pune but hadin ke ni ke selection ngalayo ben sya select ben mentah ke ni ke national games but ngalapan create bah na ke mentah ke ni ke games ke benong hapo gua ke jing election mentah zonga hapo ke World Combat Games kan sedang nudu arpu lai terik hadu arpu nudu terik but nyen mi nang ni po Meghalaya haka arpu terik but nyen po hapo Mumbai nyen kendo but kiwi ki teammates kiba napo keleng ke ri India kum napo Maharashtra but napo Pune but kini ki teammates jonga nyen mi lang napo Mumbai haka arpu lai terik but nyen po shithe but nyen shimenta na ka World Combat Games haka discipline jong pan Christian
Keteng jangan kata sisa ni merban represent ya ka shooting haba 25 sports pistol ni keempat yuk practice dum taruh so biar ngidang buat ban practice yuk ka jakalas ni sadi practice ni untuk kobaji kata yang kecil kepada mini siap kenya shooting especially himdan dia range lajong so dapat jing range tom jong sir general secretary jong dia lawan dia ini ka practice rasmi sambil berlagi yang kata-kata Miss Mudiao hi lihat bahwa dalam kajian praktis AOI ini represent dari national team pada wala kataru try kat bala kayak panila praktis project kat tu pilih ban ba ya